The Strait of Hormuz has turned into a dangerous battleground. The gateway to the Persian Gulf is now filled with the sound of warships and the smell of gunpowder. The US and Iranian militaries are standing face to face, and a single mistake could trigger a massive global conflict. The US has deployed a massive armada led by the USS Abraham Lincoln. In response, Iran's Revolutionary Guard has launched a today live fire exercise. Tehran warns this is a clear message against US aggression, featuring advanced missile states and hundreds of high-speed boats. US Central Command warned it will not tolerate unsafe behavior, such as armored drones or high-speed boat approaches. Meanwhile, Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi stated that while diplomacy is open, Iran missile program is a red line and will never be subject to negotiation. Experts warn that any conflict here would collapse the global oil market and devastate the world economy. The time for proxy wars is over. The threat is now direct and real. Will diplomacy prevail, or is the world heading for destruction? Stay tuned for more breaking updates.